Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We're right at the end of the park. We're here in Dollywood. It's about 12 minutes to close. We're going to see if we can get on Big Bear Mountain. It's right at dusk. It's here in the Smoky Mountains. They've got some music playing. And this is supposed to be the #1 family coaster from last year on the Golden Ticket Awards. So we'll bring you on board with us. We'll just seat wherever they seat you. It's been a busy day at the park, so they just put you in an assigned seat. So we'll see what that assigned seat is, and we'll see you on the ride.
Let's enjoy it. As you exit, please exit to the right through the middle. Don't forget to go side of the cross. Open an entrance gate. So if you're in the right, slowly you can do silence. Backpack, hats, purses, cell phone, cups, bags before you can settle in.
Yep. Pull her down, lock her in. Should be good. Right at dusk. This is good. This is another launch. Had a few launches this trip. Big Bear, #1 family coaster, 2023. Here in Dollywood, we're going to be launched out here. Oh boy, here we go. Woo! Oh boy! That's pretty good for a family coaster. It's long. It's got a nice. The speaker is just the whole time.
Remember to
Wow,
take
it's
your
crazy.
belongings with you and exit through the gate.
Right at dusk.
Have a great day at Dollywood.
Wow, the temperature's really dropping. Had good pacing all the way through, really. 3 launches, right? Yeah. It was a good run. Had a nice ride.
Welcome back, my Big Bear survivors. How's it out there tonight? So, as we exit, please exit to the right through the middle. Don't forget any loose items that you brought. That's for the kids. Open an entrance gates. Those of you carrying the last ride of the night, please make sure you store any of those loose items.
All right.
Yes. No loose items in the line of this ride.
Oh, yeah.
All right, that's Big Bear Mountain. We got the second to last ride of the night. The sun just set, so the temperature was dropping. It takes you through the hills. It's got a lot of nice speed. Three launches there. It's not super fast. I think it's up to, what did they say, speed-wise?
I'm not sure I caught it on this one.
Okay. I think it's like 50 miles an hour or something like that.
Maybe 40?
40, 45, 50 miles an hour. Anyway,
in that range.
Nice pacing. Had a great ride.
Yes.
Final thoughts?
Yeah, for a family coaster, I can see why this won the 2023 award. It was, great roller coaster.
Had a great time. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and we'll see you all very soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.